depart in a minute. Another Paris. The big London Mountain one in the earlier managed to go around twice. But now on the boat, a few hours later, and it's got stuck on that hill right in front of you, see it? It's got stuck. They've got the people off, and as you can see there are staff there. But that, I think, is very bad. And also I do like Big Thunder Mountain. It goes under the water this version of it as well. So as you can see, it is stuck. So yeah, basically it's broken. So I expect it'll be closed for another good few hours at least, and probably the rest of the day. Because there are 2 trains, but only one line. So basically it's going to be, there's no way through it. So see you guys soon. Bye.